About this item: guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque. K&N cold air intake systems provide a less restrictive path for airflow, increasing the volume of cool, oxygen-rich air into your engine, an estimated increase up to 10 HP and up to 9 feet lbs. Of torque. HEAR the Growl, K&N's intake systems allow your engine to breathe and sound as it should. Your engine will growl on acceleration and return to quiet once at speed. Dyno testing you can trust. K&N air intake horsepower/torque testing is performed on wheel-based dynamometers, and the reports are included with each intake system, featuring K&N signature reusable air filter. Combines 4 layers of pleated, breathable cotton with K&N's red filter oil to absorb dirt and dust particles, allowing clean air to continue flowing into your engine. Only needs cleaning every 100,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions. Durable roto-molded intake tube and custom heat shield. A high-density polyethylene, HDPE, rotationally molded intake tube helps increase the volume of airflow to your engine, while the heat shield helps protect intake air from the high temperature of your engine bay. Premium engine protection from a trusted brand. K&N air intake will not void manufacturer vehicle warranty, and no hassle lifetime limited warranty protects for the life of your vehicle. Easy to install,